Through a spirit of working together with an eye toward results, finalists in collaborative ecosystems have created systems, platforms, and processes to enhance internal and external cross-functional collaboration. The projects represented here have improved productivity, accelerated innovation, and enhanced customer satisfaction.
Please welcome to the stage Alex Urich, Managing Director and Partner at Boston Consulting Group.
Thanks, everyone. For anyone who's spent any time in manufacturing, they know it's a team sport. Strong collaboration leads to more resilient and adaptable operations by building trust and alignment everywhere across the value chain. The teams recognized in this category have created a seamless ecosystem to bring together their internal teams, customers, suppliers, and other partners to achieve maximum results. This year's finalists in the collaborative ecosystems category are Bayer Crop Science, with pesticide application tracker, transformation of safety and integrity in manufacturing. Enersys, with collaborative excellence in the product lifecycle management. Hitachi Astemo, with digital transformation, real-time efficiency, and collaboration. Humtown, where education and manufacturing unite to empower next-gen industrial athletes. Iowa State University, with empowering Iowa's small manufacturers with Industry 4.0. Johnson & Johnson, optimizing shift handover within manufacturing and leveraging the power of AI. Lexmark International, with digital transformation, making Lexmark more efficient. MXD, with cyber-secure supplier project. PACCAR, with Peterbilt Motors Company, innovation with a digital-first manufacturing culture. Pella Corporation, cross-functional, agile organizational structure to achieve transformational Industry 4.0 impact. Whirlpool, with managing the washing machine project. Whirlpool again, from concept to kitchen, a collaborative digital ecosystem. Winnebago Industries, realizing the benefits with industry best practice implementation. And Winnebago Industries, with building problem-solving discipline through the A3 internal certification program.
Ladies and gentlemen, your 2025 Manufacturing Leadership Award finalists.
Thanks, Alex. So I'm really excited to announce that this category actually has not one, but two winners. All right. The first winner built a collaborative ecosystem that connects business, education, and government to build awareness about career pathways in manufacturing. This also includes engagement opportunities to the company's internal teams, so employees have a clear career trajectory, an effort that has dramatically improved employee retention and satisfaction. Now, our second winner used their manufacturing know-how to design, manufacture, and distribute hand crank washing machines to underserved and displaced communities. This included creating AI-driven digital work instructions to assist the volunteers who assemble the machines when they are delivered. This effort has resulted in 350 machines built and distributed in Mexico, India, the Republic of Congo, Ghana, and Gaza. And our winners are Humtown, with Where Education and Manufacturing Unite to Empower Next-Gen Industrial Athletes, and the Whirlpool Corporation with Manufacturing the Washing Machine Project.